warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Augusta River including Baltimore Harbor until 8:30 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles southwest of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: floaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Mark Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Colchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Low Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, and 7-foot Knoll. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.